Hello, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Vietnamese cuisine to explore an often overlooked delicacy, quay, or Vietnamese roast chicken. Get ready for a culinary adventure as we uncover some fascinating unknown facts about this mouthwatering dish. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our delicious content. Let's get started. Quay origin. First things first, let's talk about the origins of quay. This beloved Vietnamese dish has its roots deeply embedded in the country's rich culinary history. Quay is not just a meal, it's a cultural experience that has been passed down through generations. The marinade, cooking techniques, and even the serving styles have evolved over time, creating a dish that is as diverse as the regions it comes from. The secret marinade. Now, here's a secret that makes Vietnamese quay truly special: the marinade. The secret behind the irresistible flavor of quay lies in its unique blend of spices and herbs. From lemongrass and garlic to a hint of fish sauce, each ingredient plays a crucial role in creating that perfect harmony of flavors. The chicken is often marinated for hours, allowing the spices to penetrate deep into the meat, resulting in a symphony of taste with every bite. Variations across regions. What makes quay even more intriguing is the regional variations you'll find across Vietnam. Different provinces have their own take on this classic dish. In the north, you might discover a quay that's subtly sweet, while in the south, the emphasis could be on bold, savory flavors. Exploring these regional nuances adds an extra layer of excitement to the quay experience, making it a diverse and ever-evolving culinary journey. The perfect roasting technique. Achieving the perfect crispiness is an art, and Vietnamese chefs have mastered it when it comes to quay. The traditional method involves roasting the chicken over an open flame, allowing the skin to become golden and crispy while keeping the meat tender and juicy. Some chefs even use a rotisserie-style technique, ensuring an even cook and that smoky, charred flavor that defines a truly authentic quay. Quay in Vietnamese culture. Beyond being a delicious dish, quay holds a special place in Vietnamese culture. It's not just reserved for family meals but is often served during festive occasions and celebrations. The act of roasting a whole chicken signifies abundance and prosperity, making quay a symbol of good fortune and positive beginnings. Quay garnishes and accompaniments. No discussion about quay is complete without mentioning its delightful accompaniments. Whether it's a zesty dipping sauce made with lime, chili, and salt, or a plate of fresh herbs and vegetables, these garnishes add layers of complexity to the overall dining experience. The contrast of flavors and textures enhances the enjoyment of quay, turning a simple roast chicken into a culinary masterpiece. Quay's rise in popularity. In recent years, Vietnamese quay has gained international acclaim, finding its way onto the menus of restaurants worldwide. Its unique combination of flavors, coupled with the growing popularity of Vietnamese cuisine, has turned quay into a global sensation. Food enthusiasts from all corners of the globe are now savoring the taste of this Vietnamese classic. Quay festivals and competitions. Believe it or not, there are festivals and competitions dedicated solely to quay. In various regions of Vietnam, you'll find events celebrating this beloved dish. Chefs and home cooks alike showcase their skills, competing to create the most delicious and perfectly roasted quay. These events not only highlight the culinary talent of the participants but also bring communities together in a shared appreciation for this mouth-watering delicacy. Quay's health benefits. While quay is undoubtedly a treat for the taste buds, it also offers some surprising health benefits. Chicken is a good source of lean protein, and when roasted with the right herbs and spices, it becomes a flavorful and nutritious meal. The use of ingredients like lemongrass and garlic in the marinade not only enhances the taste but also adds a dose of antioxidants and other health-promoting compounds. Quay fusion and modern twists. Innovation is key in the culinary world, and quay is no exception. Chefs are putting modern twists on this traditional dish, experimenting with unique marinades, cooking techniques, and even presentation styles. From quay tacos to fusion dishes that blend Vietnamese flavors with international cuisines, the evolution of quay continues to captivate food enthusiasts and push the boundaries of culinary creativity. And there you have it. Folks, some fascinating unknown facts about Vietnamese quay. Whether you're a seasoned foodie or just starting to explore the world of Vietnamese cuisine, quay is a must-try. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your foodie friends, and comment down below with your favorite Vietnamese dish. Until next time, happy cooking! Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.